This is Coach Bill 315, and I do weekly tips and tricks to improve your backpacking experience. Hey, this is Coach Bill 315, and welcome to my channel. So for those who do not know, I do backpacking stuff, I do gear stuff, I do pretty much anything that requires backpacking. Even some fun, like little different stuff that might make you laugh a little bit. Anytime you see snow, go for it. Whoa, do a little sled. Actually, we'll do it right now. Coming down! Whoa! Woo! Oh man! I really took off. But I'm out here because I was planning on making my first intro video for this year. Right now I have about 700 subscribers, and I'm really trying to make it up to 1,000. So if you could hit that subscribe button, it's going to help me out a ton. I'm going to be setting up my tent, but unfortunately, tip number one, make sure that you're always prepared. I am not prepared. I forgot to bring my trekking poles, so I am going to find some branch to prop this thing up and try to make it happen. If you look behind me, there's a storm coming on too, so needless to say, this is going to be interesting. Alright, well, that didn't take too long, and as you can see behind me, there is a storm coming. A lot of overcast right now. It's going to rain all night, so hopefully this little branch is going to keep me hunkered down and dry. Got my nice little shelter up. It's starting to sprinkle right now. It's going to be coming down pretty good. But please, if you like stuff like this, stupid. Right, I'm calling my stuff already stupid. Yeah, I don't do the smartest things all the time. Lost another tent stake. Hey! So this is what we've been staying in. And I hope that you guys learn from my mistakes. Yeah, so, yeah buddy, let's do it. Subscribe! Oh boy, it's about to storm. Awesome.